Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I am doing for you is a little eye tutorial on this eye look right here. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this eye look, then go ahead and keep on watching. I already have everything on my face. I just wanted to mainly focus on the eyes today. So to get started, let me zoom you in first. I'm going to be using my Morphe 35O palette. I'm going to be taking my Morphe M504 brush. It's just really fluffy, and I'm going to actually be going in with a kind of like a medium toned, so right here, this kind of brownish nude color, and I'm just going to be putting that in the crease of my eye. I already have my lids prepped as well with the concealer and everything like that from when I did my face makeup earlier. And I'm really just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions and not really making this like really precise or anything, just a little bit messy, just to define that crease in there, because we're mainly going to be focusing on everything in the outer side here, going pretty smoky and dark. I haven't attempted this before, so I'm curious of how this is going to turn out, but it is really pretty, and I think it's something that gives you a pop to the eye, but it's not overtaking the eye for spring and summer, with, you know, being so dark and everything like that. I am taking my brush and kind of making an angle with the color to start forming that V shape almost, because we will be adding a wing in as well. Okay you guys, so I went and did this eye really quick just because my camera was dying and I needed to let that charge for a second. So we are gonna move on to this eye. I haven't done anything but what you guys saw in the previous clip. And I'm gonna be going back in with my Morphe 350 palette. I'm gonna be taking this shade right here. It is like a dark brown, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe M165 brush. It has an angle, and what I'm going to do is just tightline my lash line here and then start to create that V shape. And all I'm doing is just stamping this on because I put enough powder on there. And by doing this, I also feel like it really helps you to get that more crisp, tight wing that you want, because you're already mapping out that shape in there for you. And I'm just lightly trying to bring this in so that way you're getting that more smoked out effect. Now I'm just going to be going back in with that same fluffy brush. We're going to dip back into that color that we have on the outer edge here, and we're just going to try to deepen that up really quick. And now I'm going in with just any kind of fluffy brush, and we are just going to try to blend that out and make it look more smoked out than looking super defined. Then what I'm going to do is take my this is my Sigma E35 blending brush, and I'm just going back in with that nude shade, and we're just going to go over the edges so they don't look as harsh, and it gives you more of that smoked out effect. Okay, so now that we have that done, I'm going to be going in with my NYX matte liner, and it looks just like this. We are going to start the shape of the wing. Now we are going to add a little bit of mascara, and we are going to do under here with that same nude shadow. I'm just going to go apply my mascara off camera. This is the one that I'm going to be using. It's my Plump and Curl. Okay, so now what we are going to do is go back in with that Sigma blending brush that I had used to just kind of diffuse my outer edges. And we are going to be taking that same nude shade right here, and we're just gonna buff it out under my waterline here. And then I'm going in with that angled brush and dipping back into this grayish black color, and I'm just gonna tight line my waterline. And then going back in with that same brush, we're just gonna try to diffuse that out so you kind of get that same type of feel that we have going on in the upper lid area. Then I'm just gonna be going in with this lengthening mascara and coating my lower lashes. Okay, and the next final touch is doing the inner corner highlight and the brow bone highlight. I'm taking my Morphe E36 brush and I'm just gonna be dipping into this kind of rose gold shade right here. We're just gonna do the inner corners just to kind of make everything pop a little bit more. And then lightly getting under the brow bone to make sure you don't have anything looking disconnected. Everything looks all seamless and flawless, flowing into the shadow. That is it for this eye makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. It is really fun. It is that pop, but it's not too much for the springtime. If you guys liked this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every single week, and I will see you guys all in my next tutorial or video or whatever it is. Bye guys.